In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 404 not found error in Google Chrome. A 404 error usually appears when the page you're trying to visit can't be found. This might be because the page was moved, deleted, or the address was typed incorrectly. However, sometimes the problem is on your side, and there are a few simple things you can do in Chrome to try and fix it. Let's start with the easiest step. First, check the address in the address bar at the top of Chrome. Look carefully for small mistakes like missing letters, extra slashes, or incorrect punctuation. Even a tiny typo can cause a 404 error, so make sure the web address matches exactly what you expect. If the address looks correct, try refreshing the page. You can do this by clicking the reload icon next to the address bar, or by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. Sometimes, a temporary loading issue can trigger a 404, and a quick refresh is all you need. Next, try opening the same website in a different tab or window. Right-click the tab, choose to duplicate it, or open a brand new tab and paste the same address. This helps confirm that the problem isn't tied to a single tab that may have glitched. If you're still seeing the error, open an incognito window in Chrome. You can do this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner and selecting New Incognito Window. Then, type the same web address. Incognito mode disables extensions by default and uses a fresh session, which helps you see if the issue is related to your cache, cookies, or an extension. If the site works in incognito, but not in your regular window, it's time to clear your browsing data. Go back to your normal window, click the three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files, and, if you're comfortable, cookies as well. Then click Clear Data, and try loading the site again. You can also check if an extension is causing the problem. Go to the three dots, then Extensions and Manage Extensions. Disable your extensions one by one, testing the site after each one. If the page suddenly loads after disabling a specific extension, you've found the culprit. By carefully following these steps, you'll be able to determine whether the 404 error is temporary, caused by your browser, or truly an issue with the website itself.